Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Carrera sunglasses model Endurance65N in color code 80790. The color of the frame is black. On its temples are protective sleeve to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a pilot shape. On its temple, you'll find the Carrera logo in gold. The temples are gold and the temple tips are black. This is what the inside of the frame looks like. And both temples are the same. You'll also find the Carrera logo engraved on its top left lens and the C Carrera emblem in the middle of the nose bridge. On its inner right temple is the Carrera Icons logo, the model name which is Endurance, and the number which is 65N. And its inner left temple, it says that these frames are the special edition. And again the model name, the color code, and dimensions of the frame. 63 is for its lens, 10 is for its bridge, and 130 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Carrera hard case, a black Carrera cleaning cloth, and a Carrera sticker. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.